Hello, I'm Ed with Green Star Roofing. At Green Star, our mission is quality, integrity, and value. Quality, we offer the best products with the best warranty in the business. Integrity, we do what we say, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Value, with our company you get the best value for your money. At Green Star, we specialize in permanent green roofing solutions. That means we use energy efficient roofing products that are recyclable. We specialize in steel rock, stone-coated steel roofing panels, which are made to look like wood shake or Spanish tile. They're made from 26 gauge Galvalume steel, which is the most recycled material on the planet.
They use the steel rock stone-coated steel, which we thought was an excellent choice for us because of the durability as well as the energy-saving capabilities that was available with that roof.
If you really sit down and think about it, where you want to be in 10 years, whether you want to be doing this again, you'll look at a steel rock roof. It was a higher quality roof, and therefore it gave me a refund on my insurance.
As I said, I'm on the Architectural Control Committee, and I've been on it for 7 years now and been very active in what roofing materials we allow in. We saw some pictures and we went and looked at a couple of the roofs that were steel rock. We decided it had a little more ridges, a little more definition into it. It didn't look like one big piece of metal. So we really liked the steel rock. I voted for it to have another homeowner for it to be put on, then I liked it so much that's what we picked. And when we saw the samples of the steel rock roof, we knew that's what we were interested in.
The gentleman from Steel Rock said that he gave us a sample of it, and we brought it home and did the rub test and every test we could think of. You start to try to choose a roof, you have small samples, and it's kind of difficult to know what to expect. We chose a color, and it matches our home very beautifully. It blends in. It adds to the loveliness of our home.
On this project, we're re-roofing a house that's got wood shakes that are about 15 years old and worn out. We're going to go right over the wood shakes with our radiant barrier. It rolls out just like a felt wood, but it's a radiant barrier that's energy efficient. Going over the old roof saves the homeowner money for no tear-off costs and also keeps all this roofing debris out of the landfill. Okay, once we've got our radiant barrier in place, our next step is to install 1x4s every 2 feet across the roof that get nailed into the skip sheeting or the rafters. After they're in place, a 2x2 batten goes up the roof every 14.5 inches, which is the correct spacing for the tile and the shake panel. Okay, with our 1x4s and 2x2 batten system, we've created a dead airspace. This blocks all the heat from the steel to get into the old roof. So we have airspace. The heat's going to travel up the roof. It's going to come out the ridge. At the ridge, we're going to implement a ridge vent system where we open up the plywood on either side of the ridge about 4 inches, install this on our 2x2 battens, and then the cap goes over the top of the ridge vent, but the air is going to be coming out the whole time. It's energy efficient and it saves you substantially on your heating and cooling bills. The steel rock roofing system actually starts at the top. We fasten the first row, and then the interlock panels go all the way down the roof. They end up interlocking like this. And then you have a fastener that goes in horizontally, which is unique to this system, and that gives you the 120 mile an hour wind warranty. Okay, when we come to a pipe or penetration, we've got to put a new flashing on this. So we've got our flashing cap here. Our steel panel goes over the top of that. So you're going to have your flashing in between two panels. These get fastened accordingly. Next you'll have caulking that will go around the edge. We'll put actually stone chips that match the panel so that you don't have any problems. It's a leak-proof system. For the edge of the roof, we've got our 1x4 and 2x2 build-up. We're going to cover that up with a drip edge that's stone-coated to match the roof. It can tuck right into the gutter, or this could be our finished product the way it looks here. The next area of the roof is the valley area. We're going to install an 8-inch valley trough to catch the water in this area. The valley metal goes down first. Next, the tile is going to be cut so that it goes on halfway on either side of the valley.